And welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from VOCOlinc, and this works with Apple Find My and with Android's Find Hub. And it looks like a credit card, and it has a built-in battery plus a button and an LED, and you can put it in your wallet to track it or to track other objects if you want. So it's called the SlimTag VT2503, and there's a nice user manual in here for you to read with information, how to reset, how to power on, how to power off, and I think it says also some information, how to use it with the app. So it looks like 1 hour to be fully charged. I think it's like around 60 meters I was reading somewhere. I think in here was the battery. It's so it has 14 grams, the whole thing. It goes up to 60 meters distance, and the noise indicator is like 40 decibels. Where was the 100 milliamp battery and rechargeable via so you can only recharge it via a wireless charger. Bear that in mind. So this is it. It's just probably twice as thick as your credit card, but it has to be because it has some side. But that's where you place it on the charger. So if you press this button, you can see it indicates that it's on. Okay guys, so you can see it says last seen yesterday. You can mark it as lost, share it, or get directions, and it will show you your current location. If I play a sound, that's how it sounds. And then inside the settings you can change the details. It will tell you when you've activated it. You can put a device name and a category, or you can remove it from here, and that's pretty much it. To be honest, you can't really do anything else with it, so you can just track it, and it should show you the location where you are. If it's left behind, you'll get a notification as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so you can place it in your wallet. This is a small wallet, and it fits perfectly. You just have it in there like so. It's not gonna make your wallet any bulkier. It's nice and compact. I don't know if you put some pressure on it then, but usually in your pocket it should stay straight. So look, I'm pressing on it, it doesn't activate the button, which is good. So now the last thing I want to show you is how to charge it. So you're gonna place it on the wireless charger, and you can see it's currently charging. Thanks for watching.